Okay, good afternoon class. We are here again for the IPR activity that today we are going to have a quiz based on the event which we had yesterday that was taken by Advocate on record of the Supreme Court, Mr. Vipul Dutt Sandriyal. I hope you all remember that what sir has told you. He informed you about the copyrights, patents, trademarks and various more things which we are not aware of, that what legal things has taken place, other changes are taking place in the management, in the society. So, based on that knowledge, based on that information, today we are going to have a quiz. This quiz is of 30 questions. That means 30 questions will be displayed on the smart board. MCQ is there, multiple choice options will be there. You have to just write the correct option of the question and the one-word answer, whatever it's written. Write only your name, your course on the sheet, the answer sheet which is given to you. Don't write anything else. Mobile phones should be inside your bag on the vibration mode. I hope this decorum is being maintained in this Chanakya hall or in the conference hall. Now after the quiz, the sheets will be collected by us. We will evaluate it and based on the marking, based on your evaluation, first, second and third prize will be given. But not only the prize, we are going to give you the certificates along with the trophies. Whosoever comes first, second or third. So please maintain the decorum. Do not do the cheating work because you are the management students and I hope the maturity is there among you. Now I hand over the session to Shauradeep sir. He is going to take the quiz and please pay attention on the questions which is given to you. Only 1 minute will be given to you to mark the answer. Thank you.
और ईच क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क्स का, ठीक है। तो आपको 30 क्वेश्चंस करने हैं जिसमें कि आपको सर्टिफिकेट प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे और 3 रैंक रहेंगे हमारी, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, ठीक है। ओके, What does IPR stand for?
किसका है?
The first question is what does IPR stand for? आंसर लिखिए।
Just write A, B or C, whatever is the correct answer and the answer. What's written in front of A or B or C.
आप क्यों इसे देख नहीं पा रहे हो बच्चे?
Yes, just write the answer. Question 1 and answer.
Question 1 then answer.
प्रफुल सामने छोटो प्रफुल।
Question 1 then answer. Question 2 then answer, ठीक है।
Moving ahead. Move ahead.
Second question is which act governs patent in India?
हाँ रह गया। हाँ
Third question is which of the following is protected under copyright?
Second question. Durga? Sorry, Aishwarya, come and sit here, please.
Fifth question is, which body is responsible for granting patent in India? Sixth question is, how long is the term of protection for a patent in India?
Just write question number and the answer. Don't write the question, whole question on your answer sheet. Only question number and answer. Next question is on display.
Sixth question is, how long is the term of protection for a patent in India? Seventh question is, the Trademark Act in India was enacted in which year? Eighth question is, which of the following is protected under a trademark?
Sir, only 1 minute is given for the answer.
सर 1 मिनट भी नहीं हो पाता.
इसमें कोई फॉर्मूला लगाने की जरूरत पड़ रही है कि 1 मिनट में नहीं हो पाता है. सॉल्व कर रहे हो क्वेश्चन को.
If you are taking more than 1 minute, that means you are cheating.
मोबाइल से चीटिंग थोड़ी करनी है.
Eighth question is, which of the following is protected under a trademark? Ninth question is, how long does the protection of a trademark last in India?
लगा हुआ मुझे लगा।
Tenth question is, which of the following cannot be protected by a design registration in India?
I can hear the answers.
Eleventh question is, what is the minimum term of protection for copyright in India? Twelfth question is, which of the following is a key feature of the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001? Thirteenth question is, what is the purpose of GI?
When we will repeat the question, then you can cross-check it. Only 1 minute can be given to solve the question.
Granting patent in India. 6. How long is the term for protection for a patent in India? 7. The Trademark Act in India was enacted in which year? 8. Which of the following is protected under a trademark? 9th, how long does the protection of a trademark last in India? 10th, which of the following cannot be protected can be designed registration in India? 11th, what is the minimum term of protection for copyright in India? 12th, Which of the following is a key feature of the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001? 13. What is the purpose of GI? 14. Which of the following can be protected by a patent? 15. What is the term of protection of industrial design in India? 16. Which of the following is not covered under copyright law in India? 17. Which of the following can be registered as a trademark in India? 18. The Trademark Act in India was enacted in which year? 19. What is the primary objective of the Patent Act? 20. Which of the following is an example of a GI? 21. Which of the following is a key feature of the Copyright Act 1957? 22. Which is the minimum requirement for obtaining a patent in India? 23. Which of the following is protected by the Trademark Act? 24. What does IPR help to protect? 25th. Which of the following is a major feature of GI of Goods Act 1999? 26. How long is the term of protection for a copyright in India? 27. Which of the following is an example of a trade secret? 28. Which of the following is a requirement for a trademark to be registered? 29. Which of the following is protected under patent law in India? 30. What type of property protection can be granted for a new plant variety in India?
And the trophy and certificates will be given to the winners. Only after handing over your answer sheet, you can leave the Chanakya Hall or the conference hall. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience.